Yo, what's up guys, it's Mystic and I'm back. Actually just wrapped up an amazing cruise vacation, even had a monkey literally chilling on my neck, but we are right back to the tech. And while I was away, you guys were completely blowing up my comments asking how to clean up the lag and optimization for the new Nuvio layout. So today I'm giving you the ultimate settings masterclass. Let's get right into it. Alright, so for the first thing we're going to take a look at is actually the brand new user profile screen. Now setting these up isn't just about customization, it actually also separates your watch list so the app's background engine isn't loading massive recommendation rows all at once. So keeping it clean by creating dedicated profiles for everyone in the house is super easy because the add-ons will be separated and the recommendations are going to be separated. And you can even set up a pin if you wanted to. And then for the next thing, as you can see on my screen, I actually have an update. So I would say always make sure you read through the latest app updates to verify the Dolby Vision and your player stability still work, at least with the new updates. But the first thing we're going to take a look at, we're going to actually go straight into our settings. So when you take a look at the settings, if you guys are actually experiencing the no streams available error, that actually comes down to the provider links, not the app itself. So when you're syncing up a premium service like, let's say, Real-to-Brid, make sure you pull up this sign-in screen and scan the QR code using your phone or computer, because doing this on a separate device keeps your private API keys safe, and it's even 10 times faster than trying to, type it in on the computer. If you need assistance with that, of course, we have a community Discord, but I also have a specific video with Stremio because Stremio add-ons do work with this also. Now for the next thing I want to show you guys, because we're going to go out the app for a minute, if you actually go to your settings, you go to applications, and if you go right here where it says manage install applications, all you got to do is actually scroll down to Nuvio, and then once you're there, you're going to actually go down to where it says clear cache. And what this does is basically clears out the old background data logs so it prevents the app from being able to crash. You can also fully restart your Firestick by holding the middle button and the play button, and when it does a full restart, that should also help with the no streams available screen that you will see also if you're getting that. Now for the next thing, we're going to go out to the layout. So a lot of you guys didn't know, but you can actually change the way that the home layout actually looks. So if you want a modern view, grid view, classic view, you could change that. And another important thing is you can actually change your home content. You could change, where you could toggle on or off specific rows, and that actually will make it where the app uses less processing power, because if you have rows that you don't even use, you could turn those off. And then another thing, if you haven't seen in a previous video, you can actually turn on autoplay trailers just like it's a Netflix app, and even have where the trailer's muted. And then the most important thing, you guys can actually change the poster card style. So if you wanted to look a specific way, you can actually do that, but it also could assist with scrolling, because if it's a different type of poster card, it may actually load up a lot quicker than some of the other ones. So just keep that in mind. But other than that, guys, man, that's a few things I wanted to show you how to make this app actually use it to the best of its ability. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys want to see in the next video, and I will see you guys in the next one. But that's it for this video. Peace.